Hello everyone, I'm Stella. Today I want to introduce a new purchase way for cheap wholesale products from China. This way is suitable for physical store, supermarket, and the small distributors. Also, they are suitable for the other platforms which are selling a lot of categories of standard and stock products. In our online shops, you may search you will find many similar products with different prices. In this, we suggest you buy different samples from different shops, and then you can get all the samples to you, and you can you will check the quality and the price difference, and you can finally distinguish which one is the best for you. When you decided to buy large quantity, we can receive the cargoes, consolidate them, doing inspections, and send it to your country or send it to your shipping agent in China.